Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2010 Ford Expedition Limited, and I will show you how to delete a Bluetooth phone from the phone menu. This video will apply to third generation of Ford Expeditions made up to 2014 and to Ford Expeditions equipped with this large screen. Okay, so let's get to it. First you want to press onto the phone button. This will get you into the phone menu. Now if you don't have a phone connected, it's gonna ask you to connect one. In my case I will press cancel, and now you can press onto the settings button, and this will get you to a list of the saved phones. Now you can have up to 5 phones saved in the system. If this list is full, you cannot add a new phone before you delete one. Now in this expedition there are two phones saved, and I will try to delete Ryan. So I will press onto the Ryan, and there is a small menu on the left side, and just press delete. Yes, and that's it. So now you can add a new phone and add it to the list. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.